What's up, guys? Back with episode number 3 in the Epsilon wheel build. Today we're going to be focusing on doing these barrels. I started working on this one a little bit just to kind of figure it out, but basically around this flange you could see on some of these wheels like somebody would have put them on a car that the barrels were too close to the the coilover or the bag or whatever, so some of them having like some grooves dug into the outer lip of the barrel. So I'm gonna use the air grinder and knock down all that stuff so it's nice and smooth, and like I did with the front lips for the curb rash. See if we can. As you can see, the inside of the barrels are pretty dirty. I'm gonna try to get like some of the bad corrosion off, and then like the rest of the silicone and everything off the barrel before I get them sandblasted, because these are gonna get sandblasted and powder coated. So I'm just gonna fix all of the damage on the outer lips that obviously you don't really see them, but it's still prefer to just do the work and get them cleaned up and make them smooth as possible. I started working somewhat right here, if you can see, with the grinder, but I gotta get some more pads so I can do the rest of these. But this is probably the most mild one. There's ones that are worse, and one also right here. Not sure if you can see in the camera. Turn it this way. Basically right here in the barrel, they had like a caliper that was too big or whatever, and kind of like scratched it up a little bit. So obviously you won't see that when it's powder coated, but just trying to address all of the bad parts that are on the lips and everything, and kind of get them to look brand new. But we're gonna be doing all 4 of those and then getting them sandblasted and powder coated. And then this, which is gonna be last episode, but we got the new center caps in. See, I'm gonna bring you in closer. Alright, so this is the original center cap, as you can see. Let's see, I'll bring you in close and focus on you. This is the original center cap. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with them except for like the logo in the middle being a little faded. But I wanted to try something different with the color on the center cap to go with the face, like I said. So I got these ones that my buddy Tom makes, sent his build on Instagram. So these came out pretty nice. They look pretty much exactly the same as the original ones. So you can see we got the gel caps, and you can see that the background on it is chrome, and then the Epsilon logo itself is like a shiny gold. So I think this should go with the wheels, obviously a lot better, and it should look pretty dope. But like I said, I am going to be taking these replica caps, and we're going to be doing these chrome with some chrome paint. So I'm going to be doing that process in this video, and hopefully it comes out nice. I'm going to probably put like 3 or 4 coats on it. Found some really good stuff. I've been watching some videos online. So it's definitely something I want to try, because I think it'll flow a lot better with all chrome caps and the chrome background, just the gold letters, because obviously the hardware is going to be chrome, and the lug nuts are going to be chrome, and the lips are going to be polished. So I think it would look better if this is chrome instead of just having the black on it, like I said in the other episode. But here we go. Got a broken one right here that I can use for just testing the paint out on first, because that's what I want to do, is I want to test the paint out. So it's just a broken one that he had. So we're gonna see how it goes. I'm also using a new lens, using the 16mm 1.4. So let me know how the video quality is on it. But we'll put this stuff back in the box, and we're gonna get these barrels done first. I'll probably do some I'll throw some B-roll clips in this before this part in the video of just like the damage on the barrels itself, and we're gonna get that done. So we're pretty close to getting it done. After the barrels are done, obviously all we need is hardware, and then reassembly with the new caulk. Alright boys, so the car's covered up just so we were working here the other day, but working on the barrels right now. And I also just got my center caps in, or not the center caps, the paint for the center caps. So I'm gonna do that today. I have to get the heat going out here because it's still a little cold out. It's probably about 40 degrees out. But right now I'm working on the barrels. I've already got these 2 down here done, but I was basically just doing the repairs on those, which I'm going to show you guys, and we'll show some B-roll or whatever. But I got where's it at? So I got my my drill here, and I'm just using this basically for cleaning all the silicone off the flange. Even though these are going to get blasted, I'm not sure how the sandblasting works with this stupid rubber stuff that they use to mount the tires or whatever. So as you can see, I've just been working on cleaning that off these barrels. If we could focus here. But yeah, I just been focusing on getting all this off. So I have some brake parts cleaner and some automotive grease or sticker remover, which seems to be taking it off. So basically just soak it and then use the wire brush and get it all off. I'm gonna get all this stuff off the barrels. I gotta do those barrels too, but I'm going to fix some of these. I've already fixed one, but I haven't fixed these yet. So see if we could focus. Basically on the outer ring, some of them were they hit like a coil over or something. So basically there's like scratches in there. Then some of them have scratches on the inside. And see these spots right here. This is where I've taken off the whatever you would call it, like the sticker weights for the weights. So these are gonna get sandblasted, but I just want to get all the sticker residue off and the tire stuff off the barrel, and then fix these little spots that are on the edge of the rim. Even though you don't see them, I still want them to be clean and look the best they can. So that should be done today. I'm gonna go pick up the lips today from Matt. He got them all done. Then, like I said, I'm gonna show you guys the center caps in a minute, and then I'm also going to be doing the other center caps out here. So I'll clean this mess up later after I get done with some more of these barrels, or at least one or two of them, and then save the worst barrel for last when it comes to like cleaning it. At least when it comes to like the residue and all that shit. So I'm gonna show you guys these other center caps inside the house, and then I'll shoot to some B-roll of doing some fixing on this and all that other stuff. And then after that, we're going to focus on doing the the center caps themselves. All right, so like I said, I got my damn parts in the spare room, but these are something that I've wanted from my friend since he showed them to me, and I figured they'd be cool on the wheels because he sent me a picture of what they look like on his wheels, and I've never seen a pair of Epsilons with these on. So these are going to be a set of spare center caps, just in case I want to throw them on there and you know, kind of stand out a little bit more. But they should look pretty dope. I do need to modify these a little bit because they got the race right here, and this need to be grinded down a little bit because of the powder coat on the inside of these. Doesn't allow them to sit down flat because it's pretty tight in there. But they definitely look big without the lips on there, but I think they'll be pretty dope, especially when it comes to like the chrome bolts and all that good stuff. So I definitely think it's gonna be pretty dope. So once these get done, I'll probably run these as a secondary cap or whatever one I want to, because they'll match with those, and I'll match with that, and I'll match with the lug nuts because they're all gonna be chrome. So those are just something spicy I've wanted to get for a while, and just ended up buying them. So it's not gonna be everybody's cup of tea because obviously these are mostly like synonymous for being on wire wheels and all that good stuff, but I think it'll look fucking dope after they're on the car, so don't be hating on me. But we'll get these center caps all done today, and I'll show you guys the brushes I got, and I'll just show you the paint real quick. Alright, so this is the bottle right here. We'll get it to focus. This is the bottle. It's an incredibly small bottle for what it is, but this is supposed to be the merriest, I guess they market it as the merriest chrome paint available. So this is just a 15 milliliter bottle, which you wouldn't think is enough, but the product actually goes a long way. So we're going to test those out today on this cap right here. Like I said, the test dummy one. We're going to use that, and I got the paint brushes right here. Just got these cheap brushes right here, they're synthetic. So they're flat, and they got all different types of sizes. So we're going to do that today and see how they come out. Alright, so there's some little B-roll and time-lapse for you guys. This one's all done. It's completed. Got everything off of it. This is all smooth now, and I fixed most of the damage. Obviously I don't have to do this because this is the barrel, but I just want them to look and you know, be the best they can. Barrel's all clean though. Everything's all clean down here. The flange is all clean, so this one's all ready to go. Alright, and just for reference, this is what it looks like in the thing if it will focus. Pretty much just like a mirror. So we're going to go ahead and get this on before it starts setting up. You want to do strokes when you do these. You want to make sure that you only need pretty much one just to do this entire center cap, because it goes on and it's like really thin material. So, but on to the time lapse. Alright guys, I know we're overexposed, but just got the barrels back, and honestly not happy with the color, how they came out. Just going to show you them right now. As you can see, they're just gloss black because I didn't want to do anything crazy for the color. But you can't really tell, but this is supposed to have flake in it, and you literally don't see any of the flake whatsoever, like in the color. So I'm not sure if you could see this or not, but you can't see any flake in the actual barrel. So he ended up spraying them twice because he saw some of the pitting that obviously the metal has because it's old barrels, and he sanded it and then pretty much did another coat, and I think that second coat pretty much dampened all of the the flake that's supposed to be in it. So I'm just gonna end this episode right now because these barrels took like a month to get done and they're still not right, so I'm not trying to wait another 2 weeks to put the video out. I just want to go ahead and get this video up. So basically what we're gonna do is take these and get them stripped after he gets a stripper, and then he's gonna repowder coat them with one coat, because I think that's the problem. And then I guess that'll be the next episode. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this episode. I guess this is kind of not a full episode because obviously these aren't the way that they're supposed to be, but just so you know, these barrels are going to be gloss black just because obviously it's the rear of the wheel and it's not really a big deal. So, but I did want to do it with the gold flake in it, so it kind of matches with everything. So I'm just going to hold on to these for a few days, and whenever he gets a stripper he can go ahead and pretty much redo them. So hopefully this wind noise isn't getting you. But the other one's up there. It's just, I even have my flashlight out to try to see some of the like the glitter or the effect of the gold inside of it, but there's literally just none. So we're just gonna have them redo it, and next episode we'll be obviously showing you what these are gonna look like fully once they're actually done in the color they're supposed to be, and start putting them back together. But first I want to get the faces ceramic coated. So I guess thanks for watching the video, guys. Be sure to check out the next episode. It'll be coming out, I would assume, probably 2 weeks after this episode comes out, because I still have to get the hardware and then get the
the face is ceramic coated before I can even put them back together. And I also have to get my original front washers for the wheels, get those pretty much chrome plated because I can't find any washers that are the correct size. So we're just gonna go ahead and get those chrome plated, but I just have to find a place that can do it, and that'll be the next episode. So anyways guys, thanks for watching the video.